Actually, I'm wrong. That's not the Gran Torino. That's the four-door. That's the family car. It is the Torino. Number 19. All right, here we go. 2,000. 500. 506. Gonna be 606. And 6. And 6. 600. Have it with 6 and a half. 650. 650. 6 and a half, everybody. Have it with 7. 700. 7 to be in the 7. 7 to be in the 7. 750. 750, 750, 750, 750, 750. That's have it and a half, everybody. Have it with 750, 750, 750. That's 750. And 750. And 750. And 800 now. 800. 800. 800. 800. 800. 750. 800 going once. 800 anywhere. 800. 800. 850. 850. 900. 900. 900. 900. 900. 950. 950. 950. 950. Going once. 950. Going twice. All in, all done. 950. 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. 1,050. 1,050. 1,050. 1,050. All in, all done. 1,050 going once. 150 going twice. 1,050 and final call. And the car is sold. $1,000. Number 44. $1,000. Number 44. All right, next car.